Welcome to another exciting English lesson from ExamPadi. Today, we're going to be looking at another figure of speech, the onomatopoeia, and we're going to learn how it's used in English. Here are the objectives for today's class. Number 1, define onomatopoeia. Number 2, identify onomatopoeic words and phrases. And number 3, utilize onomatopoeia in writing. What sound does a cat make? A cat goes meow. How would you describe the sound of rain? Rain goes pitter-patter. Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech which uses words to describe the sounds made by all living things, including people, animals, birds, and all inanimate objects. Onomatopoeia is a fun way that words can imitate the sounds of the world around us, and it can make reading and writing more interesting and lively. Can you hear that? The onomatopoeic word for the action of mine is the word pop. Let's look at some more examples of onomatopoeia. Bang, pow, poof, meow, bark, scratch, woof, hiss, howl, pop, sizzle, quack, boom, clang, oink, and so many more. Here on the screen are some more examples of onomatopoeic words. Take a look at them. If you're familiar with the song What Does the Fox Say by Elvis, you'll come to notice so many onomatopoeic elements are placed in the song. Here's a brief example. The dog goes woof, cat goes meow, birds go tweet and mouse goes squeak, cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. Okay, onomatopoeia emphasizes writing, and it adds more effect and makes reading more enjoyable. When writing exams, it's important to show off some of your well-known skills, which is why onomatopoeia is a very good tool in this aspect. Let's take a look at how onomatopoeia can be used in sentences. With a boom, the fireworks exploded. The clatter of the utensils startled the poor old lady. In the middle of the summer, the bees disturbed the entire neighborhood with their buzzes. The pitter-patter of the rain fell into the metal buckets as the children looked out of the window sadly. Although they lived 30 minutes away from the farm, they could still hear the oink and the quack from the farm animals. Using onomatopoeia in your writing can add vividness and sensory details to your descriptions. Here are some tips on how to use onomatopoeia effectively. Number 1, think about the sound. When you're describing a sound, try to mimic it using words that sound similar. For example, if you're describing the sound of rain, you can use words like drip, drop, patter, or drizzle. Think about how the sound actually sounds to you and choose words that capture that. Number 2, use it in dialogue. Onomatopoeic words can be used in dialogue to make your character's speech more engaging. For example, instead of saying, "The car alarm went off," you can have a character say, "Honk, honk, honk. The car alarm's blaring like crazy." This can make your dialogue more dynamic and interesting to read. Number 3, show, don't tell. Onomatopoeic words can be a great way to show what's happening in a scene rather than just telling. For instance, instead of saying, "The fireworks were really loud," you could say, "Boom, crack, pop. The fireworks exploded in a riot of sound, making my ears ring." This helps create a more vivid and sensory experience for the reader. Onomatopoeic words are so fun, and it's definitely a way to greatly enrichen your writing. Now, with the following words, try to make onomatopoeic sentences of your own. Number 1, squeal. Number 2, hiss. Number 3, sigh. Number 4, sizzle. Number 5, woof. Number 6, pop. And number 7, rattle. Thank you for coming along with me to learn more about onomatopoeia. See you in our next lesson. Goodbye.